Have you got a problem, Tony?
Yeah, I've been to the doctors, yeah. Hopefully if I take the medication 3 times a week I should be okay.
Is that little twitch you got? Because you got your spark going?
Don't make me laugh. It's a spark.
What are we doing here, Tony?
It's going to take
tell all the boys and girls.
Right, it's a spark, so it's going to take 10 years to get it going, isn't it? Yeah? So, despite all these warnings and everything else. Yeah, but anyway, you never know. It might work now. If I do that, it might go.
Yeah, we're off. And he's going to take it out for a spin.
I'm going to take it at least 3 inches out.
Take it out. Oh man, that's so cool. Look at Tone, Paul. He's taking it out, man. Go on. It's just straightforward. How far are you out?
I am out 900. Where are we? Distance 444 feet.
Go on, then. Take it out to. Take it out to 600.
You know, but top up footpath.
Yeah. Are you happy there?
That's the furthest I've been with that.
Are you happy there?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Are you comfortable?
No, I'm not comfortable, but I'm happy. I'm worried.
Is that your furthest you've been?
Yeah, it's my furthest I've been, yeah.
And look what she's doing.
It's a sovereign.
She's hovering.
I know.
Just turn around to the camera. Back camera.
Yeah.
Well, there we go.
There's 2 choices. We
Yeah.
come back.
See? I'm the RC Hunter. Welcome to my channel again. Somebody else turn up. There's awesome little bald-headed guy here, Tony, and he's been on my channel before.
Yeah.
And he had the what drone was it? What drone?
Bugs 3.
What it?
Yeah, but I had a loose motor. So
Yeah, Bugs 3. He had the Bugs 3,
yeah.
and now he's got the 501 SS, and he said that he's going to do a 2-mile run.
Yeah, give us a look at.
And it's called
Paul. Hi guys.
Yay! Well done. Check it out. Look at the black one. That's a little bit of
Wind's picking up as well.
Yeah, she's awesome. Look at that now. Look how stable she is.
What drone is this?
This is the Hubsan 5.
Are you recording?
Are you recording, Paul? No, it's not. It's down. Recording now. No, you haven't got the S, mate. You've got the 501 SS. Because it's got down on top of the S. The 501 S can come out. The 501 SS can. And I told you what this has got. I know, I know. I'll tell you that.